Mithunguko ya mbitika cia World Rugby Series nĩ ciracokereria muthia wa mweri uyu na kuria mbitika cia mbere cigathakirwo kuria Los Angeles kwambĩrĩria tarĩki 29 mweri uyu. Kocha wa Shujaa Paul Feeney nĩ etĩte athaki Oscar Ouma kuma Nakuru RFC na Samuel Oriech wa kĩrabu kĩa Impala ta hinya mwerũ thĩinĩ wa mbitika yake, na ũũ nĩ thutha wa gũikara nja gwa kĩmera kĩa mwaka wa 2018 na 2019 matathakĩte.
Ireland and Canada, I'm pleased we're playing different people. Although it's good to play Fiji and New Zealand to see where you're at, I wouldn't want every pool that we get to have Fiji and New Zealand in them.
Athaki angĩ arĩa macokereirie kuma nguraro-inĩ nĩ mũthaki Jacob J wa KCB, Daniel Sikuta wa Kabras, Orodome na Oscar Dennis wa Nondescript.
We're looking forward to a very good tournament. Having South Africa for the fourth time in the season is also good because they are one of the powerhouses in the circuit. And given that we beat them last time, we are very confident that we can do it again.
I think the squad is well balanced. Having some of the new guys coming in, like the legs of Kina Oscar, I think it's a big boost for us because they are very experienced guys, and giving them an opportunity also to get a chance to bring back more, to get a playing chance. It's something that we have waited for a very long to have a very good squad.
Kenya muthunguko uyu maigĩtwo hamwe na timu ya bũrũri wa South Africa, Ireland, Orodome na Canada thĩinĩ wa gĩkundi kĩa B.
Just raising the standards of the game. Everybody wants an opportunity to play in the Olympics. So before you get to that Olympics, you have to prepare well. We are taking every game as a preparation for us to be able to gauge ourselves, how we can be able to get ourselves and get a medal at the Olympics.
Kwa ihinda rĩrĩ Kenya thĩinĩ wa mũrũgamo wa thĩ marũgamĩire namba 11.